have to go run to Target right now. Like, run to Target. All right, right now tonight, I'm so excited. I just had to do this. They have these, what they're called a divider cup. Okay, they come in different colors. I think they have mint green, gray, and blue. Different sizes. I love mason jars. Like, love them. And these, I'm looking at these, and for one, they say dishwasher safe, microwave safe, food safe, BPA free safe. And you're like, okay, what is this? Well, this is like, watch this. I'm gonna open this one. Oh. All right, so this is the cup. And what these do is these fit inside the jars, not in the smaller jars. On a mason jar, you're gonna get, these are gonna go in the mason jars. Is that not the greatest? And you'll be able to put your lid on top of this. And so now when you're going to work, or if you're using this, like I use these all year long for my lunches. I put soups in here, I put salads in here, I put chilies in here, you can even put vegetables in here. This can be your soy sauce or your dressing for your salad. You can even put croutons in here or cheese things. Cheese, anything you can put in here. And now you got it to go with your salad. Because when a lot of people advertise those things, they always tell you to put those applesauce cups in there. Well, I don't know about you. I don't have a bunch of applesauce cups sitting around. And they look great. And I thought, oh, great idea. But you could even have this be, like you could add chocolate or some syrups in here to make, flavor up a drink. You could have like water and powders like Kool-Aids or something in there. This is going to be the best. The best. Now, they do come in different sizes. So this one, these are the wide mouth jars, and then this is a narrow jar, and then this is the wide mouth. And how you know it's wide mouth is your whole hand can go in it, okay? My hand does not fit in here, okay? But they do come in sizes. You can get your mason jars anywhere. You can get them at like Goodwill's. You can get them at flea markets. Your grandma probably has them in her basement. You can get them at Walmarts and Targets, especially this time of year when there are all kinds of canning and canning and different things that they're doing. So let me show you this other one, this other thing that goes inside here. Here we go. All right, pop that in there. See? That is so exciting. I'm telling you, salads. Anything that you don't want, if you want to make this all lettuce and put your salad junk in here, if you want to make it chili, croutons and cheese in here, if you want to make it soup, again, your crackers in here, if you want to have any food that you put in here. And I use these, like I said, all the time. So have a great day. Oh, you want to know what the best deal is? You're going to die. These were only $1. $1. I'm telling you, go to Target now and get these. These will be great. And I'll have another video on why I love mason.